Oh, hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you my subtitles system, which is consisting of nothing except two elements: this script and audio source in the scene. Behind the scenes a little bit more, but about this I will talk later on. So we have audios, we have subtitles, and this script is listening to audio source, and if this audio source is playing audio which is listed right here, then it goes and looks for subtitles text attached to every clip listed right here. And if, for example, this audio is being played on second number 4, then it takes this line, which is minute, delimiter double dot, second number 4, delimiter space, this line, and it shows this in this subtitle user interface elements. In my case, right now I'm gonna be showing you this, so like less words, more action.
Welcome to Work Center. You work from 8 to 8. Double tap or click to pick and drop things into the desk. Press the volume of 60 for us today, and you free on it. No, it's a joke. And you'll get paid at work of payment. Hi, trainee. Shift for you is from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. today. Double tap or click to pick and drop things into the press. We'll meet.
Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Bye bye. Have a good time. See you later in the next video about something very interesting or maybe more interesting. Bye bye.